Hello everyone, welcome to visit Qiming Packaging. We are a professional manufacturer. This is our product, 200L drum plastic protective cover, which can be customized in different colors. You can look at its internal design. There are stiffeners here. This design makes the lid stronger, with greater weighing power, and it will not be deformed if it is filled with goods. High quality products, raw material production, free samples, support customization. Do you want to know how this lid is used? It's very simple to use, just buckle the lid on the top of the bucket and press it down. The operation is very simple and it can be done by one person. Do you still want to know how to open it? It's easy to operate. Let's take a look. You can see that there is a protruding part here. It can be opened by lifting it up. It is easy to open and cover. The lid is made of one piece, made of HDPE, and the surface is very smooth. Welcome everyone to send us an inquiry.